So here we go. These are the new LED taillights that are smoked out that I'm going to be replacing for the factory light. Now always hold on to your factory stuff. You could always use it later if something happens to the ones that are on your car. So I definitely recommend holding on to these and not getting rid of them. So let's go ahead and pull these out. Like I said earlier, they are plug and play. So as you saw, it's the same connector that we just unplugged. You don't have to do any wiring. It's already done for you. Now we are going to mount this bit in the inside of the interior. So I'm going to use a little bit of tape to do so it's not just like dangling around. Look at these bad boys. It's gonna make this look so good. So all we're gonna do now is just plug and play. So we're gonna need some duct tape just so we can go ahead and attach part of this to the inside. Just go ahead and pop that on. It's a really big piece of tape, but it's okay. Can I get those scissors? Cut a little piece of this. So for some reason this already has screws, so I'm going to take these out and use the ones that I already have on the car because I am putting that cage back on. They're a little bit longer. So just make sure that you remove these before you put it back in. Just pre-screw it in a little bit, so it'll make it a little easier. Can you get me the other screw, please? So I can start screwing those down. Just put those in there. And again, I'll leave a link for this cage in the description box if you guys want it. So we're gonna do a quick light test. I love what these look like off. It just looks so seamless. So this right here would be the brake light. This would be one of the hazard lights. And I believe this is the turn signal. This has to be one of my favorite upgrades that I've done to the exterior. So let me know, do you guys like the before better or do you like the after? I just think it looks so flawless and it just looks so good even when it's off. So again, this is the before, let me remind you. And then I'll go ahead and show you guys again the after. And also these did come from ledfactorymart.com.